On the line, I have Lynn Sherwood, and Lynn is here to talk about a product that she is releasing very soon. I understand My Croak File. Is that right?
It is. It's called My Croak File, Shepard.
And what is this about? What is My Croak File?
Well, My Croak File is a way to think about, to help you to think about the things that you want in the end of your life, the way that you would like people to care for you. I want you to think about those things and then be able to communicate those things to your family, friends, your doctor, so that you can get more of what you want at the end of your life.
So essentially estate planning.
Estate planning, but a little bit more than that. Your legal representative, your estate planner, can help you with those very specific things. This is more for the medical side in terms of your figuring out the person. If you are not able to make decisions for yourself for your medical needs, who do you want to do that for you? So that's called your healthcare power of attorney. Then you have another legal document called your advance directives. And your advance directives go into things like how you want people to care for your body if you are unable to make decisions for yourself. So if you're in the hospital, do you want CPR? Do you want a feeding tube? Do you not want a feeding tube? And who knows those things? But My Croak File also, well beyond the legal documentation for the medical piece, also talks about the really personal things that might help bring you joy or comfort or peace at the end of your days.
Like, what's an example?
Well, for example, our daughter passed away just 2 years ago. She had lung cancer, and we really feel like it was a gift for us that she was able to tell us her preferences about the things that she wanted that would help bring her joy at the end of her life. And so she told me things like she wanted her room to smell like cinnamon candles, and she wanted her toenails to be painted call girl red. She had these preferences that would help bring her peace at the end of her life. And so it felt like a gift for us that we were able to do those things for her, and a gift for her because she was able to get more of what she wanted before she died.
Okay. So then, so the Croak File is a combination of the legal and the medical and the personal side of things then.
It is. And in your Croak File, you will have a before I croak file and an after I croak file. And the before I croak file is talking about things like what we've just talked about, what will bring you peace at the end of your life. And the After I Croak File is to help bring your family peace after you die. So things like, what are your computer passwords? Where are the keys to your home or your safe deposit box? Do you have a safe deposit box? Are there certain items like a personal tea set that you would like to pass on to your granddaughter? And who knows it?
Well, that sounds like just a wonderful thing. And do you have a website or phone number, or how should folks be in touch with you?
Well, absolutely. They can get a hold of me at either mycroakfile.com or Lynn Sherwood on Facebook as well.
Well, wonderful. Thank you so much for telling us about My Croak File, and good luck with the project.
Thanks so much, Shepard, for having me on. Bye-bye.